everyone, you are watching Sparkle Bass. This little cub sneezing, they just look like Simba and Nala in The Lion King. Oh, they are so beautiful. They are singing a song. He preferred to rub against a teeny tiny bush, not a big tree, a tiny bush. It's just so funny. Oh, he's saying hello. It's playing time. Who knew boba ties tasted so good? This incredible human cage will bring you an amazing experience with lions. These lions still can smell, scent mark, rub against, jump on, investigate. You can book this experience on their website.
Hey, Shalom. Hey, good morning. Are you watching Aslan? Hey? Hello, beautiful. Oh, that was a big yawn. Hey?
Thank you for watching this video with me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and all the links to the original videos are down below. And I will see you next time. Bye bye.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand.